Hi everyone, wishing each one of you a very happy new year. Welcome to TGIF at Microsoft Technology Center Bangalore. We call it TechGyan in 5. We're going to kick off the series this year with an important topic, which is data. And no better person than Shikha Agarwal, a senior MTC technical architect, to talk about data and the challenges. Shikha, welcome to TGIF.
Thank you, Sandeep.
Perfect. Shikha, quick question. Number one, data is considered to be a strategic asset. I know with explosion of data, customers are grappling with a few challenges. When you've spoken to customers in the recent past, can you share some of the challenges that they've surfaced as part of our conversations?
Well, you're right, Sandeep. As I interact with customers day in and day out, common thematic is emerging. While most recognize data as the key asset which plays a key role in strategic transformations, when it comes to creating a enterprise level knowledge graph, they do see as a huge challenge. Without right tools, processes and technology in place, data continues to reside in silos, and oftentimes what we see is that executives have very different perspective when it comes to key challenges and growth strategies for the organization. And the reason being, the baseline numbers that actually create foundation of their hypothesis, that itself is different. A single version of truth remains elusive, and that is becoming a huge bottleneck in their ability to unlock insights from their data.
Perfect. Thanks, Shikha. In fact, single version truth has been a challenge, and we get to hear with many customers. In fact, look at the industry trend, right? Everybody's talking about offering data as a service or analytics as a service. I mean, that's an eventual nirvana, right? In your perspective, how should one approach or plan with an intent to get there?
Right. So fortunately, today we do have the right technology to create a modern data estate, which can enable us to maintain our entire data in a cohesive fashion. Azure Synapse Analytics is, truly a game changer offerings in the world of analytics. With hyperscale ingestion using 90 plus connectors, limitless analytics over enterprise as well as big data workloads, and unmatched time to insight, it is the platform of choice for organizations looking forward to embarking on a journey of innovation, operational efficiency, as well as data-driven decision making.
Thank you so much, Shikha. That was insightful for sure. Going by what you just said, yes, technology exists. It's a question of how does businesses look at bringing data together and offer it as a service, and look at key insights that people can derive out of it to make a difference to their businesses. Thanks once again, and for viewers today, happy learning, have a wonderful weekend.